Welcome back to Solving Problems with Siteworks. This is video 3 of our small commercial site. I'm Mike Brunner from Site Tech Northeast. In the last video, we put our building in. You can see it here with our points. If I press and hold, we have a line here that we can actually stake out. You can see our surface over here. Next step we're going to do is we're going to start putting in all these contours. Right? I have found there are multiple ways you can do this. They're all going to be in a hamburger. They're all going to be in create points and arcs. You could go through and you could just free pick points all along this line, and it's going to make your surface for you. And that's fine. What I like to do is I like to just create a line. When I create this break line, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to give it the name of what the elevation is going to be. So for example, this 495 contour, I'm going to call this 495. And then I'm going to check here, make sure that this is at my 495, and it will ask us again. I just want to make sure it's not on ignore. And I'm going to zoom in here to where that 495 contour is. We can see it right here where it breaks on the existing contour. Come in here and you just, boom, I've created a point, and then we're going to create a point there. Now I have that. How do we do the radius? Well, a radius is just a bunch of small points. So we're going to just go through, and this is, depending on how many points you make, can be as accurate or as inaccurate as you really want it to be. This is going to go into an SMG machine, Siteworks Machine Guidance, so we're just going to click right through, and this is why the wireless mouse is nice. You can do it with your finger, you can do it with a stylus, completely up to you. When I get to these long tangents, I like to just pull it straight through, and then we're just going to keep clicking along. And what I'll end up doing is we're going to go through maybe 1 or 2 of these, and then we'll just jump ahead so you don't have to see me click through every one of these lines. And if you, say you make a mistake like this and you're not quite happy, what's nice is you can just go backwards, say, well, I needed that to be a little bit tighter, until I hit my tangent point again, come back straight through. Right. And what's going to be nice is we'll do a couple of these and you'll be able to see immediately the effects on our 3D surface viewer. And once we're done, we just hit accept. It'll ask us again if that's the right elevation. We're going to say yes. Now we have a 495 contour. Now what happens if I run into another 495 contour? So there's our 496, ends there. Then there's a weird 497. This is a 496. There's a 495 in here somewhere. Let's find another one. So here's another 495 contour. Now we can't have the same name for the 495. So what I like to do is I like to do 495.01. The elevation's still going to be 495. It's just the name is going to be. So once again, right, I'm just going to start on a tangent point. What's nice on this one is very, very long, straight. So we come all the way down here, zoom in, touch, touch, right? And once again, the more points you add, the better your radius on that contour is going to be. This isn't a bad contour because it's just got 2 little curves and then pointed tangents. Come back down here. A nice break there. Now right here, I'm just going to hit the close line function, leave it at 495. Now I have 2 495 contours. What I'll do just to show you, we're going to come out here. Now you can see we're starting to build a surface. Okay? So I'll pause this so you don't have to watch me click all these contours. I'm going to click a few of these contours, get them all drawn out, and then we'll come back.